Alright guys, we're back here with RaceTruck, and those are stock manifolds. Not too bad. This is an original 287,000 mile manifold. Decent. Not good, but decent. This one came off the 97,000 mile replacement engine. I really don't understand why this camera doesn't focus. There we go. Okay. Sweet. But, as you can see, there are no broken bolts because zoom in there we go. Sorry guys. Anyways, no broken bolts because we replaced them with grade 8 hardware. Sorry, I'm kind of lost for words. Long day. But anyways, funds for the rebuild of the 480E were finalized yesterday, actually. So this means the truck is ready. She's coming back together. I am so excited. You don't even know. Really super excited. I don't know how close that camera is. Probably look weird. Anyways, worth it. But, let's see. Funds for the 80E rebuild are done. Wiring's hooked up. Total $650. Just a stock rebuild with power clutches. Power pack clutches, I think it was called. This is junk, no longer good anymore. I am so excited about that. Going with Speed Engineering 1 3/4 tube long, 1 3/4 inch long tube headers, plus the Y pipe that clears the 80E transmission. So excited. What else? I'm also gonna get their True Dual axle dump kit. Snydertron 3000 has it on his regular cab Sierra. I love the way that truck sounds, so hopefully it'll treat me the same way. But I just figured I'd give you guys an update. Why are you doing this? There we go. Yeah, that's about it. Never had any issues with it. I do have an idea though, because this boot keeps slipping off on this. I haven't driven the truck. It's sitting in the garage for a couple months now. But anyways, to tighten this boot up correctly, I think I'm going to take it to work and bead roll it. That's about it. Well, I think it's going to solve the issue of that coming off. That was a rear subframe. Peekaboo of the bike. America. Also, peekaboo, slight. There's that. Gold chain, baby. Gold chain. Anyways, I just figured I'd keep you guys updated, and this truck is not going anywhere. It's not getting sold, none of that. This is the truck. Actually, it's not the truck that started the channel, because the truck that started the channel was the 94 Z71. But this truck has grown the channel, I'll say that. We're just hanging out, guys. That's about it. I need new seats. I want to get a centerfold flip-down console at minimum. But, yeah. That's about it, guys. I'm going to take all that off. Back to regular full paint. I have a new gas door. Actually, is it out here? Yeah, it's right here. I've had that sucker for a couple of years. Just never put it on. Or painted it. But anyways, that's besides the point. General overview of the truck. Flexolite complete fan assemblies, $550 I think it was. Speed Engineering intake was $110 with shipping. That's about it, really. 3-inch performance accessories, body lift, rough country 2-inch leveling keys. Tire is a 305/70. Come on, guy. 305/70/16 from V-Netic. VK607. Those are no longer in business. That company is, I think it's just a generic mud tire maker, honestly. Kind of like Treadrite, but not really. Just a different brand. But 2-inch hub-centric spacers. Front and rear slotted and drilled rotors from Quick Stop. Let's see. Tiger tonneau cover. Yeah, I got it latched down right now, so I'd show you. But Tiger tonneau cover from Amazon. I purchased one of these off of eBay. There it is right there. That guy. Purchased him off eBay. That came with the transmission. I'm going to use, doesn't really matter either one. That's the old cross member. A 285/75/16 spare tire. Half-ton transfer case, which I got that new shaft for. That's installed in the 80E right now, which I am excited about. Old Y-pipe, no longer being used, ever. So excited about that. Starter, general bolts, crossmember stuff. Those crossmember bolts can be used with the new Speed Engineering crossmember as well. So that's a good thing. New transmission dipstick is in the house along with the crossmember. Drive shafts and stuff doesn't change. I have to buy new transmission lines to fit a 6-liter with a 480E. That's a $51 or $52 ship from Rock Auto. That's not bad at all. I'm willing to pay that for sure. Let's see. I'm trying to think of else I forgot. That's really about it, guys. I'm just so excited I finally got that giant hurdle done with that transmission. It's like it's on its way now. The builder is in Massachusetts for this weekend, but it should be more than a couple weeks for him to work on that thing. So I'm really excited about that. Get that back in the truck, bolt it up, get the new transmission lines, order the headers. I'll probably order the headers within the next couple weeks. Then order the transmission lines around the same time. Then she's going to be ripping and roaring. I am so excited. It's been a very long time without this truck, and not a good time. I miss it terribly. But anyways, racking up the miles on the 2010 more than I would like to, and I'm rambling in the video now, but oh well. Black headliner. I suck at doing a headliner, so it's now sagging. As you can see, terrible lighting, but you can still see. So whatever, that'll just stay there the way it is. I'll probably get an ABS plastic one and put in there. But just want to let you guys see what the truck's all about now, what she's doing, hanging out. Like, that's my hand spread across. Kind of excited about that, but the wheels are. What are those? I don't even know the brand of them. I know they're black D-Windows 16x8s. I honestly don't know the brand. I know they're like $52 a rim. That's about it. And my headlights with the HIDs, of course. Super bright, but yet functional. I'm going to get a new air dam on the bottom. That's about it. I'm rambling now, 7 minutes and 30 seconds into a video. Oh well, it happens. Just wanted to share some little bit of excitement with you guys. And I was so happy that those came off and didn't fight me. Pumped. The next video of the truck should have the headers and the trans in it. If not, running and driving. So keep you guys updated. See y'all later.